Samsung is back again with its next generation foldable, and this time, it's not just an upgrade, it's a refinement of everything we love about foldables. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, bigger battery, powerful performance, and possibly the most polished foldable yet. Starting with the design, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 keeps Samsung's iconic book-style fold, but with subtle improvements. According to leaks, you're getting an 8-inch main foldable display and a 6.5-inch cover display, which means multitasking and media consumption are still top tier. Samsung is also working on reducing the crease, making the folding experience smoother and more premium than ever. Under the hood, this device is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte storage. That means insane performance, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running multiple apps side by side. One of the biggest upgrades this year is battery. Leaks suggest a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, finally addressing one of the biggest complaints from previous Fold devices. And yes, 45-watt fast charging is also expected, so you can get back to 100% much faster. Camera improvements are also coming. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 could feature a 200-megapixel main camera, along with upgraded ultra-wide and telephoto sensors. This means you're getting flagship-level photography, not just a foldable gimmick. On the software side, the Fold 8 is expected to run One UI 9, bringing smarter AI features, better multitasking, and enhanced productivity tools. Samsung is also focusing heavily on Galaxy AI features and desktop-like experiences like Samsung DeX. As for pricing, leaks suggest it will start around $199, similar to previous models. And the expected launch? Around July or August 2026, alongside the next Galaxy Unpacked event. So overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't a massive redesign, but it's a powerful refinement. Better battery, stronger performance, improved cameras, and a more polished foldable experience. If you're excited about the future of foldables, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe for more Samsung leaks and hidden features, and tell me in the comments, would you upgrade to the Galaxy Z Fold 8? Or are foldables still not worth it for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.